Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you some information and an overview on my experiences in ordering and installing this CaptainGrill replacement grease tray catching set that I got on Amazon.
So the other day I went out to do some grilling and this is what was behind my grill. This is my old drip pan. It just had completely rotted. Tried to pull it out. The whole thing just broke apart in my hands. I was really frustrated. But I ordered the CaptainGrill. It came just a couple of days later, and all of the parts were obviously included. It came wrapped with a blue plastic that you need to take off of all of the pieces. It is very important that you take all of that off. And so the next part is just to install the bottom catch pan. That's where you start with, is the bottom catch pan. There's only 4 screws that are involved. Comes with the screws and nuts. Use the ones with the flat top head. Flat top head on these. Really very easy. And then the next part for me is getting everything measured out, everything lined up, the screws and nuts in place, and then I measure to make sure that it's the right width. Then I go ahead and just assemble everything, put all of the screws in, get them nice and tightened up, and certainly get this thing ready to go. As you can see, it goes inward, so all of the grease and gross stuff is going to drip toward the center, and that's really cool. And then the next step, the last step really, is just putting it in place and making sure that everything works, putting in the drip pan, and just like that, everything's fixed, everything's ready to go.
So as you can see, installation was a breeze and we're ready to barbecue and grill. So if you're looking for a replacement grease tray for your grill, I highly recommend that you give CaptainGrill a look. It works for me. I'm super happy. Maybe it'll work for you as well.